If you want to maximize the ROI that you get from working with your accountant, there are 3 phases of how you want to work with them. And make sure you stay to the end for the last one because it's the one where it actually realizes the savings. So the first is strategy. When you first start working with your accountant, doing tax planning for the first time, you're going to identify what strategies you can implement that'll actually potentially save you money. But every strategy that's not actually executed is just nice concepts and knowledge. And so the next phase is implementation. Implementation is where you actually pick and choose which strategies you want to implement, and you go through the steps to set them up in your business, your personal life, and your overall financial picture. Think of it like an airplane flight. The strategy is the takeoff. There's a lot of heavy lifting up front, hit the boosters, take off, get in the air. Implementation is the actual plane flight. It's helping you figure out where you're going, making adjustments along the way, and getting you there. And then the third phase, which is actually landing the plane, is the tax preparation. So the tax preparation is where you take all of the strategies that were identified, now they've been implemented, and they make their way to your financial statement and your tax returns, and you file a return and actually realize the savings, all the work that you did throughout the year. But if you miss one of those pieces, you're gonna have either extra knowledge, or you're gonna be missing strategies, or you're gonna be filing a tax return that has way too many taxes due at the end. And most accountants just do the last piece, they don't do the other 2 before that. And so that's why you wanna make sure that you have an accountant that works with you throughout all 3 phases, pay as little tax as possible.